Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this nice occasion, me, Tarisha Aulia Putriani, Henny Firiski, and Gracia Alia Quina Ahmad will present about our research titled From Click to Commitment, the Role of User-Generated Content in Shaping EWOM and Repurchase Intention. Please check it out. First, about background and objective. The widespread adoption of the internet, rapid technological advancement, and the digital economy have empowered consumers to become active participants in content creation rather than merely passive recipients of information. This shift has led to the rise of UGC, which is created by end consumers. In Indonesia, the growth and influence of UGC platforms are closely linked to the country's increasing internet penetration, which reached 79.5%. In recent years, the popularity of UGC video has surged, driven by the development of affordable consumer capture device and the rise of social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X. Instagram in particular has become one of the most widely used platforms for UGC. These pictures show that example of UGC in Instagram. As the country with the largest Muslim population, Indonesia holds a significant advantage in developing halal beauty products that adhere to the principle of Sharia law. PT Paragon Technology and Innovation has gained recognition for its contribution to halal beauty products. Despite the growing importance of UGC in shaping consumer behavior, limited research has been conducted on direct relationship between UGC attributes and consumer purchase intentions. Prior studies have largely focused on traditional products review or static forms of UGC, leaving a gap in understanding the influence of dynamic content, such as video UGC, especially in the beauty sector. Additionally, there is a lack of research examining specific attributes of UGC, such as reliability and interactivity, and their impact on EWOM and repurchase intention, particularly within the context of halal beauty brands in Indonesia. This study addressed these gaps by exploring how Instagram videos UGC related to halal beauty brands' experience influence key UGC attributes, reliability, and interactivity, and how these attributes in turn affect EWOM and repurchase intention. The unique focus on halal beauty products and video-based UGC offers valuable insight for marketers and e-commerce platforms targeting the Indonesian market. The research model of this study is based on multi-attribute attitude model, which help to understand how consumers form attitude towards product based on different attributes. In this research, there are 4 hypothesis development, and this is the research framework. For research methodology, this research have a quantitative methodology based on online survey designed by Google Form from August 2025 to September 2025. For the structured questionnaire, which delivered via Instagram and WhatsApp amongst the Gen Z by means of purpose sampling, and for the items were measured on a 5-point Likert scale, and the total respondent. There are 178 respondents who complete the research questionnaire, and data were analyzed using PLSM with the Smart PLS 4.0 software. And this is sample criteria from the research. Jump into the result and discussion. For the descriptive statistic, a total of 178 respondents participated in this study. The vast majority were female. In terms of age, most respondents were aged 18 until 23 years old, and more than half earned below 2.5 million. Regarding education, most held a bachelor degree, and for the occupation, students formed the largest group, followed by private employees. And for convergent validity was confirmed as all indicators loadings exceed the 0.7 threshold, and additionally the AV values for all construct were above 0.5, and for the reliability was established as the construct consistently demonstrates strong internal consistency across all indicators, and for the discriminant validity test using the HTMT approach. This is the result of hypothesis testing and for the discussion. Last, about conclusion and implication. Conclusion: first, reliability positively influence EWOM behavior. Second, reliability does not significantly influence repurchase intention. Third, interactivity positively influence repurchase intention. Fourth, interactivity does not significantly affect EWOM behavior. And for the last, UGC characteristic influence consumer behavior through the distinct of mechanism. And for the theoretical implication, first, integrated reliability and interactivity of UGC into the digital consumer behavior frameworks. Second, demonstrate that UGC characteristics have a distinct yet complementary effect of consumer response. And the third, encourage exploration of mediating factors. And for the fourth, suggest examining platform-specific difference in how UGC influence consumer behavior. And for the managerial implication, first, marketers should enhance UGC reliability through the transparency and authenticity to build the trust. Second, interactive features should be utilized to boost engagement. And the third, brand should promote honest, experience-based user reviews to strengthen the credibility. And for the last, combining the reliable and interactive strategies help to maintain engagement and foster long-term loyalty. That's all from us. Thank you so much for your attention. Suggestion and question are welcome. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.